on the kite. The first place winner is Nishita. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for this lovely kid. And the next competition is arranging the puzzle. And we have with us Yuan as the first place winner. Ladies and gentlemen, Yuan, the first place winner of arranging the puzzle. Okay, next competition is for the raincoat. And the winner is Srinita. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Srinita, for the winner of the raincoat competition. And the next, we have the brain teaser. And the winner is Daisy. The winner of brain teaser, Daisy. And ladies and gentlemen, the next game was the frog race, and the winner is the Tejas Sharma. The winner of the frog race, Tejas Sharma with us. And the next competition was the arranging the puzzle, and the first place goes to Kevin. Ladies and gentlemen, arranging the puzzle, the first place goes to Kevin. And the next winner we have Abhiruth, and he has won the first place in the cape and the balloon. Ladies and gentlemen, Abhiruth. And the next competition we had was the Rakhi making competition, and the winner is Sai Ashwin. Sai Ashwin with us as a winner of the Rakhi making. And the next competition we had was the cape and the balloon, and the winner is Tarush. And the next competition was the singing competition, ladies and gentlemen. The first place winner is Nutan. A big round of applause for Nutan, ladies and gentlemen. He is the winner of the singing competition. And next competition we had was a speech competition, and the winner of the speech competition was Yashas. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Yashas. He has won first place in the speech competition. And the next competition we had was the lemon and the spoon, and the winner is Shaunak. Shaunak, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the lemon and the spoon. And the next was the ring toss, and the winner is Skanda. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the winner of the ring toss, Skanda. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next are the performers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. Thank you so very much. Sorry? Come here, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for the right answer. It's the right answer. It's a coconut. Thank you so much. Your good name, ma'am?
Sharika.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the right answer. Another question. You can catch it, but you can't throw it. You can catch it, but you can't throw it. What is it? No? Do not prompt the answer. Raise your hands. I'll come next to you. Or you can come here. Do not prompt the answers. You can catch it, but you can't throw it. Come here. You know the answer? What was your question? Anyways, okay. Anyone wants to try this? You want to try this? No? Yeah, he's like, okay. What is the answer, ma'am? Cold? It's the right answer. It's the right answer. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the right answer. Your good name, ma'am?
Bhagyashri.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the right answer. You can catch it, but you can't throw it. It's cold. Thank you so very much. Oh, sir, you tell me where you're going to throw, okay? I'll be there. I'll be right there. Okay, thank you. Okay, that was beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on to our next prize distribution. This is a very special prize distribution ceremony because this is the prize distribution ceremony for parents and the grandparents, ladies and gentlemen. I will call upon the names, so I request all the grandparents and the parents to come on the stage. Once again, I request our chief guest to come on the stage. So, anyone? And the prize winners are going like this. The parents of Adita has won the first place in vegetable carving. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Stop clapping for this. एक और शायरी आ जा रहा है. अर्ज किया है, अर्ज किया है. दोस्तों, आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट है, इसे रेफ्यूज नहीं करना. आपकी तालियां हमारे बच्चों के लिए और हमारे शो के लिए स्पॉटलाइट है, सो प्लीज इसे ऑफ नहीं करना. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. As we are celebrating the annual day celebration of Hello Kids has been spread over the 20 districts, 20 states all over India. I think that was an incredible achievement of Hello Kids. A big round of applause for Hello Kids, ladies and gentlemen. And it has 245 plus branches all over India. I think that was an incredible job. And they also believe in one thing, the joy of giving. It has always been said, the more you give, the more you get back. Yes, it's not just enough to know what is good. You should be able to do it. That's what the Hello Kids are doing. They always invite the joy of giving as a main theme. They invite an orphanage called Shishu Mandir. And they donate the things given by all our lovely parents to them. A big round of applause for you all for making this donation very helpful, ladies and gentlemen. And as you enter the auditorium, outside we have a stalls. In the stalls, there are the crafts which are made from your own kids. From your own kids. Please purchase this crafts item because the money which is being derived from these items will be given to an orphanage. As I told you before, it's not just enough to know what is good, but you should be able to do it. I think Hello Kids are doing an extraordinary job and an incredible job. A big round of applause for Shishu Mandir and Hello Kids, ladies and gentlemen. I really require a thunderous round of applause. Everyone, please put your hands up in the air and clap for this lovely. Thank you. Thank you so very much, ladies and gentlemen. As I told you before, what has many number of keys but cannot open the door? What is the answer? Keyboard, exactly. And to do the performance on this keyboard, we have the Hello Kids student with us. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our lovely kids on the stage. Presenting before you the keyboard and the Hello Kids. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I cannot, at this age, I can't even move my fingers, but this is an incredible job for these lovely kids. I think they require a big round of applause. I must tell you, इतना करने के लिए मुझे तो 1 साल लगता, मगर these kids have done it only in 2 weeks. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 weeks. This is an incredible job. Even to move my hands, I need 1 week. That's for sure. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for these lovely kids. Thank you so very much. And the beautiful kids in front of you who show. माता पिता की चाहत इश्क से कमी नहीं होती, इश्क से ही जिंदगी खत्म नहीं होती। अगर साथों माता पिता का, अगर साथों माता पिता का, अगर साथों आप जैसे माता पिता का, तो ये जिंदगी किसी जन्नत से कमी नहीं होती। If you all believe in this, a big round of applause for all our lovely parents. This would not have been possible without your support, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए आप सबके लिए. Come on. Thank you, thank you. I have a spot game. Anyone, be alert. With highest number of bangles. Highest number of bangles, ladies. It is so obvious that it should be ladies. Okay. Okay. Highest number of bangles. Can I have one? Okay. Come here. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our first part. Anyone wants to try? Anyone more? Come with me, ma'am. Come. का हो फिर भी चलेगा, मुझे नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ काउंट कर लूंगा. आ जाओ. No one try. Anyone there? Backside ladies. No one. Okay. Can we see how many bangles, ma'am? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the 10 bangles. Okay, ma'am, coming forward. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 3, 13 bangles. Okay, come. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A big round of applause. It's very loud, I know. Yeah, count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, बस 15. इससे भी 15 है? 15. इधर आ जाओ मैम. इतनी बैंगल्स डालने में कितना वक्त लगा? ये हस्बैंड इज हियर? सर, कितना वक्त लगा रेडी होने में? Okay. Okay, आराम से ready. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Your good name, ma'am?
Lata.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Lata ji. She has 13 pairs, right?
15.
Okay, 15. अभी कोई बात नहीं, boss. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much, ma'am. Thank you so very much.
Prize distribution.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our prize distribution ceremony. Yes, the first place winner for the vegetable carving was the parent of Aditya. May I please call you on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the parents of Aditya. Big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, join your hands together, everybody. Thank you so very much, sir. And the next winner is for the competition of the cake decoration, and the first place goes to parents of Kaustav. Ladies and gentlemen. The next prize is the best prize because these parents has won 3 games. A big round of applause for this first of all. They won the 3 games and they are the parents of Vishaka. Parents of Vishaka, they have won the 3 games, ladies and gentlemen, and they're also the best sports father of the year. Definitely as best sports father of the year, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Moving on to our next era awards. It is given for the grandparents who have been excellent in the field, and the grandparent of Chirag. Grandparent of Chirag, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. They are awarded for the best sport grandparents. They are awarded for the best sport grandparents. I think they really require a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the best grandparents. Awarded for the best sport grandparent. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our grandparents on the stage. That was a lovely pleasure to stage the stage with these grandparents. A big round of applause. Thank you so very much, sir. And here we